Ah yes, behold, a trash can. Once the humble guardian of discarded pizza boxes, now the noble protector of our precious tomato plants. Our greenhouse is overcrowded, and it's time for some of our plants to take one for the team and get out into the garden. These tin cans are about as warm as an ice bath in January, so today we embark on a mission, Operation Tomato Snug. This, my friends, is Greenspan Insulation Board, known for its impressive ability to keep things cozy. Think of it as a tiny house for my tomatoes, minus the overpriced real estate and the fancy Pinterest aesthetic. Now, precision is the key. We don't want any rogue gaps letting in the cold, so we're cutting these pieces carefully, or at least as carefully as someone who may or may not have lost every pencil in the house and is now marking things with an old crayon. It was a little bit tough to cut it as it melded itself together behind the blade or even on the blade at times. With a little persistence and remembering our motto, measure twice, cut once, and swear silently, and adding the help of a clamp, we were able to get it split into three 16-inch wide strips. Cutting products like this with a skill saw, or possibly a lack of skill saw, makes a mess that will follow you for a week. I trap as many of these little Klingons in the vacuum as soon as possible before they get away. Like a puzzle, but way more useful, we piece together our insulation fortress, ensuring maximum snugness. I make a jig 6 inches wide and use it to measure and carefully split only the membrane on one side to help achieve the necessary shape. A couple strips of the handyman's secret weapon, duct tape, adds what is called in the big-time construction industry structural integrity. And voila! My tomato planters look like futuristic space pods designed for intergalactic farming. If aliens ever visit, they'll know we take our vegetables seriously. I hold them in place using shish kebab sticks pushed in the dirt right next to the edge. There you have it, an easy, budget-friendly way to keep your tomatoes from turning into icicles, because nothing says spring gardening success like epic garden hacks.